All right, so I am going to show you how to fill in your source list. So I have saved one source onto my reading list, and it is about Stephen King. So I'm going to go to this website, and this is the source that I want to use. So I am now ready to go ahead and record everything into source one. So the first part says author and or editor names if available. And at the top of my page here, I do not see an author name. So I'm going to go ahead and move down to the second one that says article name in quotation marks if applicable. Now, if I come over here, this right here is going to be my article name, and you will probably be able to find the article name, if it has one, at the top of the page. The text will probably be bigger than the rest of the text, just like this one. This is Stephen King biography. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in here, and make sure that you're typing it in quotation marks. So I'm going to do my quotation marks first. Remember, they look like two commas in the sky. I'm going to write Stephen King biography. Okay, now the next one says title of the website, project, or book. So if I come up here, that is this right here. Okay, so this is biography.com, so I know that the title of my website is going to be biography. Okay, now publisher information, I'm probably going to find that at the bottom of my page. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, but first, are there any page numbers on this? So if I'm looking at this, it's a website, so there aren't any page numbers, so I'm just going to leave that one blank. And then the medium of publication, I'm on the web. So the internet is the web, so most of you will probably put web for this unless you are using a book or something that you found at the library, like a news article or something of that sort, but yours is probably also the web. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to keep going. Oh no, okay, and it took me back to the top. Okie dokie. So bear with me. When you split the screen, sometimes it makes things a little kooky. So we're gonna scroll, and we're gonna keep scrolling. Aha, okay. So, oh my gosh. Here we go. All right, so my citation information, article title. So it even has everything laid out here. So Stephen King biography, my author, I can fill in now, says biography.com editors. So I'm gonna put that here. And this one is laid out really nice because it has all this information. You may not always have that, so be careful. Okay, and so for the website name, they want you to put the biography.com website. So I'm gonna actually change this. The biography.com website. My publisher information is down here. It says A&E Television Networks. So A&E Television Networks. There are no page numbers. Now the date that you access the material is going to be today's date. So I am filming this on the 2nd, so I would put today's date, which is 10/2/2020, and then the URL here is going to be at the top of the page. So if you click this and then copy, you can paste that in here. Okay, and that's all of the information that I need. Now I was very lucky with this one. Oh, they even give the URL here. That's wonderful. I was very lucky with this one because, again, they give you all the citation information at the bottom of the page. If you can find sources that do that for you, it's going to make your life a million times easier. But if you don't, you're going to be able to find most of this information on the page at the top of the article, or sometimes at the bottom of the article you might have to search a little bit harder. Now, if you have trouble finding any of this information, you can always ask me and I can help you. So you're going to do that for all 3 of your sources that you're using about your person for your informative writing.